So this is just trying to talk you through a Tabasco analysis, copy strategy analysis for this Treasure Island ad that I found on YouTube. I basically just did a search for ads with offers, and this one seemed the first sort of reasonable one to look at. So I've just got the still frame of kind of the beginning of the ad here. You have already been able to look at the video. I think it would be great if you just took a pen and a paper or whatever and wrote down target, benefit, support, character, and offer, and then went through the thought process yourselves to do your best to figure each one of these things out after you watch the ad. I would consider watching it maybe 2 times. And just take a couple of minutes to do that. And if I were you, I would stop this video while you did that, because I'm now going to try to take you through my thinking on this as best I can. But you're going to learn it better if you take a whack at it yourselves first. Okay, so let me see what I can do here for this ad. Now, in terms of target, since I got it off YouTube and I didn't find it in my daily media journey where I would have been the target or whatever, meaning that I don't know what medium, what site it was on that I had been looking at. Okay, so one of the biggest clues as to who the target is, remember we said this before, is what medium is it appearing in, and then who reads or looks at the medium. And so I don't have that information. I just have to kind of look at this ad and use my common sense and just try to figure it out a little bit. So I'm going to kind of jump in here and think that this is a regional ad. This is not an ad that is running all over the country. And it's trying to appeal to people who typically go to Vegas a fair amount. And so they know what Vegas has to offer already and what to expect. And they know why they like to go to Vegas, which is to hang out and see the shows and gamble. And so it's a regional ad directed to people. This is going to be adults, okay, who tend to go to Vegas and who are bargain conscious, shall we say. That's my best guess. Now, the benefit. So, as opposed to talking about a particular act in the nightclub or how much people win every month in their casinos, I mean, this is all about value, okay, and deals. But I'm not going to say it's just about save, because I think there is some communication that you're going to get something of a, pretty good quality. Let's just take a look at this first visual they show, which is the room. Okay, beds don't look too bad. I don't see a valley in the middle of each bed. The sheets look clean. Carpet looks clean. It's a room. It looks okay. Okay, and based on my recollection of all the other things they offer deals on, from the buffet to the shows and everything else, all looks pretty good. So I wouldn't say that the value is just, save, save, save. I would say that something like the benefit is something like, you can get a good quality or a high quality Las Vegas experience with the typical amenities for a great price. That would be the benefit. Okay. And now, what's the support? The support is the visuals of the amenities, the room, the buffet, the show, etc. And in terms of the great deal, I mean, they've got the price up here pretty much all the time for you to look at, $79 a night, and then the money off on the buffet and the shows and everything else. So it's a combination of showing a good quality amenity with the price on it is what supports it. Now, what's the brand character of this? Now, this is a little trickier because honestly, I don't get a strong brand character. Other Vegas resorts would be luxury, I'm going to use this, sexiness, high roller, affluence. I don't get any of that from this. It's a very middle of the road. I don't get strong adjectives, I think is what I'm trying to say. I just get dependable, maybe, affordable, practical, quality. That's what I get. I don't get strong colors. The colors are all kind of bland and earth tones. I don't see a lot of blacks and with lights. I mean, again, it's honestly a pretty bland sort of character. There's not a lot of exciting things going on in terms of the character, but I think maybe that's kind of what it's about. But again, the character, you just want some adjectives. And you want adjectives that are going to inspire your creative team, because remember, what we're doing now is just extrapolating a copy strategy from what we're looking at, but copy strategies are also written by marketing teams and given to creative people. It's the foundation for you to create your ads too. So you always want to have adjectives that will give the creative team clear guidelines. Okay, so that's the character again. It's affordable, dependable, good quality. Okay, those kinds of words, adjectives. Now, there is an offer in this ad. There are lots of offers in this ad. So clearly, you could say a lot about the offers. $79 a night. How much the food is, the shows, the other coupons they give for other attractions to see. So it's a very heavy on offers. It's very clearly mostly an offer ad. So you could say a lot about offers here. Okay, so that's taking us through what a Tabasco or a copy strategy would be for this Treasure Island ad.